with me, you against me, nigga. I don't give a fuck about another enemy. At the end of the day, it'll be another tragedy. Found me heading to the morgue, now they getting clarity. Bar for bar, blow for blow, toe to toe, who wanna go? Ride for ride, shot for shot, back for back, tag on the toe. Chalk on the black top, sketch by a op. Opposition cop, quick to pop, make a body drop from a quick shot, quick pop. Niggas want a problem, we gon' solve it. Take you out the equation, easy subtraction to a fraction. Divide the denomination, that's elimination. With no hesitation, body take it to the station. No proof, no valuation. Forensic files checked by A's and drop bombs, sign lyrical persuasion. Plenty more ammunition, playing like a veteran, knowing that I'm better than you and your favorite 10. I don't care cause I'm a win. Game for keeps, we taking leaps and bounds, swimming in success. Ain't no sinking or drowning, chilling at the top. I'm a king, I got my crown and pound. You a underachiever. That's a pussy finding nothing but a court jester. That's a fucking clown digging that perfect ditch, hitting that high pitch, acting like a little bitch. Handy your manga, you straight hang it, then dangle your meaning. I'ma just strangle you. I'm done with the games, ain't no more playing with your beggars. Can't be choosers. Second plate is a #1 loser. I'm beating this beat up. Domestic abuser style, size of a cruiserweight. Hitters of a heavyweight, but choose your fate, cause today is your death date. Remove this a checkmate. Ain't no clean slates, all I see is a fresh place, nigga.